5 gaming smartphones, one question. Which one actually holds up when you're deep in a session and the battery is draining fast? From dedicated gaming phones with active cooling and shoulder triggers to flagship powerhouses that game better than they were designed to, these are the 5 best gaming smartphones of 2026 ranked on performance and battery. Subscribe before we get into it. We rank the best tech every week. Tom's Guide called the ROG Phone 9 Pro a gaming pro and battery life legend. And that double title is exactly what makes it the top pick on this list. In Tom's Guide's battery test, it ran for 20 hours and 34 minutes in adaptive mode, one of the longest runtimes they had ever recorded for a smartphone. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and the 5,800 mAh battery work together efficiently enough to sustain that endurance through sustained gaming sessions that kill most other flagships before the halfway point. The 6.78-inch 185Hz AMOLED display is the smoothest panel on any gaming phone in 2026. At 185 Hz, it is class-leading, though compatible titles that actually use that refresh rate are still catching up. Air trigger, capacitive shoulder buttons, the AeroActive cooler accessory support, Armory Crate game optimization, and the Anime Vision LED matrix on the background out the most complete gaming-focused hardware package available. The Snapdragon 8 Elite delivers top-tier performance in every benchmark with 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB UFS 4.0 storage. The trade-offs are weak camera performance relative to price and only 2 years of full Android OS updates. For pure gaming performance and battery life, nothing tops it. All the links are in the description. Go check it out. The RedMagic 10 Air is TechRadar's pick as the most accessible and inviting gaming phone on the market in 2025, going into 2026. And the reason is simple. It delivers serious gaming hardware in the slimmest, lightest gaming phone body available. At 7.85 millimeters thin and 205 grams, it is dramatically more manageable than the ROG Phone 9 Pro's 8.9 millimeters and 227 grams. That matters for extended handheld gaming sessions where fatigue accumulates. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset is last generation versus the ROG Phone 9 Pro's 8 Elite. But the difference in real-world gaming performance across titles like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile is minimal for most players. The ICE-X 9-layer cooling system, including liquid metal and vapor chamber technology, keeps temperatures under control during sustained gameplay. The 6,000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging delivers hours of gaming per charge, and the 520 Hz shoulder triggers with 93.7% screen-to-body ratio make every input feel immediate. The selfie camera is genuinely poor, and the RedMagic OS still needs polish. But at $549 for the entry configuration, the 10 Air is the most compelling value in the gaming phone category right now. The iPhone 17 Pro Max was not built specifically for gaming, but CNET's 35 smartphone battery life test across all of 2025 ranked it first overall, ahead of every Android competitor, including dedicated gaming phones. That result is driven entirely by the A19 Pro chip's power efficiency and Apple's hardware-software integration on iOS 26, not by raw battery capacity. The 5,088 mAh cell is modest compared to gaming phones. What it does with that capacity is not. For gaming specifically, the A19 Pro's 6-core GPU with hardware-accelerated ray tracing delivers console-grade visual fidelity on supported titles. Apple Arcade and the App Store's optimized gaming library mean every major mobile title runs at peak performance without throttling or thermal issues, aided by the new aluminum unibody vapor chamber, cooling introduced on the Pro models this generation. The 6.9-inch ProMotion 120Hz OLED display is superb for gaming. The honest trade-off? No shoulder triggers, no game space, and the iOS gaming library is strong but narrower than Android's for certain titles. For iOS gamers who want the longest-lasting, best-performing premium smartphone that also happens to be exceptional for gaming, the 17 Pro Max is the pick. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is the best all-around Android flagship for gaming in 2026. Not because it compromises on gaming features, but because it refuses to compromise on anything. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy delivers top-tier performance. Consumer Reports ranked it first among 29 smartphones tested at 51 hours and 30 minutes of battery life, a result driven by deep Samsung software optimization on a 5,000 mAh battery that has remained the same capacity for 6 generations running. The 6.8-inch QHD plus dynamic AMOLED display at 120 Hz renders games beautifully. Galaxy AI integration, 7 years of full OS updates, and the included S Pen for precision gaming inputs are differentiators no dedicated gaming phone can match. The upgraded 60-watt fast charging, faster than the S25 Ultra, and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity keep the setup current for the foreseeable future. The S26 Ultra is not a phone that shouts gaming in its design or marketing, but its raw performance, all-day battery life, and the promise of 7 years of support make it the most practical premium gaming smartphone for users who also need a serious daily driver. Closing with the most powerful dedicated gaming phone of 2026, the RedMagic 11 Pro. Hot Hardware called it the gaming handset value champion, and the specs justify that claim immediately. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 makes it the most powerful chipset on this list. The 7,500 mAh battery is the largest of any phone here by a significant margin. RedMagic rates it at 34.1 hours of daily use and 7.4 hours of Genshin Impact at full frame rate. The real headline is the world's first mass-production liquid cooling system, combining a traditional high-speed fan with liquid cooling for thermal management that no other smartphone offers. The 6.85-inch 144 Hz AMOLED display runs edge-to-edge with no punch-hole cutout and a fully under-display front camera. Both 80 watts wired and 80 watts wireless fast charging are supported. The first wireless charging on a RedMagic phone. IPX8 water resistance, 520 Hz shoulder triggers, 4D haptics, and USB 3.2 Gen 2 connectivity complete the package. Starting at $749, it undercuts the ROG Phone 9 Pro by $450. GSM Arena concluded it is your best bet for going all in on Android gaming right now. The software experience still trails ASUS, but the hardware case is undeniable. All the links and purchasing details for every phone on this list are in the description below. Those are your 5 best gaming smartphones of 2026. From a budget-friendly slim gaming powerhouse to the largest battery gaming phone ever made. Whether you want the best gaming-first hardware, the longest real-world battery life, or a flagship that does everything, there is a pick here for every kind of mobile gamer. Drop your ranking in the comments, and if this helped, you know where the subscribe button is.